House Speaker Paul Ryan of Wisconsin walks to the House floor on Capitol Hill in Washington, Tuesday, December 19, 2017. Photo, Susan Walsh, AP. Washington. Gleeful Republicans on Tuesday muscled the most sweeping rewrite of the nation's tax laws in more than 3 decades through the House. House Speaker Paul Ryan dismissed criticism of the widely unpopular package and insisted results are what's going to make this popular. The vote, largely along party lines, was 227 to 203 and capped a GOP sprint to deliver a major legislative accomplishment to President Donald Trump after a year of congressional stumbles and non-starters. Senate Majority Leader Mitch McConnell, R. Kentucky, said the Senate would vote Tuesday evening, sending the legislation to Trump for his signature. In a last-minute glitch, however, Democrats said 3 provisions in the bill, including one that would allow parents to use college savings accounts for homeschooling expenses for young children, violate Senate budget rules. House Majority Leader Kevin McCarthy, R. California, said the House would vote on the package again on Wednesday, after the Senate removes the problematic provisions and passes the bill. The massive $1.5 trillion package would touch every American taxpayer and every corner of the U.S. economy, providing steep tax cuts for businesses and the wealthy, and more modest tax cuts for middle and low-income families. It would push the national debt ever higher. The standard deduction used by most families would be nearly doubled, to $24,000 for a married couple, while those who itemize would lose some deductions. We're delivering a tax code that provides more jobs, fairer taxes, and bigger paychecks to Americans across the country, said Rep. Kevin Brady of Texas, Republican chairman of the Tax Writing Ways and Means Committee. Our local job creators will see the lowest rates in modern history so they can invest more in their workers and in their future. Democrats called the bill a giveaway to corporations and the wealthy, providing little if any tax help to the less than well-to-do and no likelihood that business owners will use their gains to hire more workers or raise wages. And the Republicans' contention that the bill will make taxes so simple that millions can file on a postcard, an idea repeated often by the president, was simply mocked. What happened to the postcard? We're going to have to carry around a billboard for tax simplification, declared Rep. Richard Neal of Massachusetts, the top Democrat on the Ways and Means Committee. Tax cuts for corporations would be permanent while the cuts for individuals would expire in 2026 in order to comply with Senate budget rules. The tax cuts would take effect in January. Workers would start to see changes in the amount of taxes withheld from their paychecks in February. During debate, decorum on the House floor was fleeting as 2 New Yorkers, a Democrat and a Republican, voiced their opinions on the bill. Rep. Joe Crowley, DNY, yelled, "Hell no" in opposition to the bill. Rep.